Step 5, historical spend, service agreements, and unit costs. Once you have completed step 4, utilize the page selection panel located on the left-hand side of the application to select step 5, historical spend, service agreements, and unit costs. Each combination of vendor and spend type will be itemized in the step 5 selection panel. The key focus that will be our primary objective will be variable and fixed spend. The reasoning for this from a KDP stakeholder perspective is the way the contract is constructed. All variable and fixed spend where sufficient supporting documentation is provided, Aramark is obligated to provide 12.5% savings on the associated spend. All of the variable related spend will be highlighted yellow, and all of the fixed related spend will be highlighted gray. As you can see, for spend types of other supplies and project, these line items are highlighted white, and in the completed status column, they're already checked off as green because there is no additional supporting documentation required. For every line item highlighted yellow or gray, select the line item in question, and the details panel will pop up on the right side of the screen. For all variable related spend, you'll be asked if there's any unit rate supporting documentation available. You'll indicate either yes or no and select save. As you can see, once you have indicated this, the green check mark will appear in the completed status column and the background will change to green. For all fixed related spend, you will be asked whether or not an active service agreement or contract is available. If that is the case, you will once again indicate yes or no. If you indicate yes, and select save, a yellow exclamation point will appear in the completed status, and the text attachment required will appear. To upload an attachment, in the details panel, you will select attachment, attach a file, select the desired file from your computer, and then close out of the details panel. You might need to click refresh in order for the completed status to update in your browser. And as you can see, now the completed status has updated and the background is green. This task for every line item categorized as variable and fixed. If there is any spend type that is erroneously categorized, you can correct that by in the spend type incorrect, selecting yes. Click save. You'll then be able to reclassify the spend and click the most appropriate spend type. If a vendor is no longer active, you can indicate this in the Inactive Vendor by selecting Inactive. Once you have facilitated this, click Save. You will be asked if there is a replacement vendor for the associated service category. Select yes or no. If you select yes, you'll be asked to input the vendor name associated with the replacement vendor. Once you have completed every line item listed on the Step 5 panel, you can utilize the page selection menu to move on to Step 6.